The issue of unutilized, hijacked, and abandoned buildings in KwaZulu-Natal came under the spotlight at the Property Management Conference. It is being held under the theme Build KZN Better, bringing together property and construction industry stakeholders. Hijacked buildings has been a thorny issue for the city of Durban. The municipality has in the past expressed concern that these buildings are allegedly used as hideouts for criminals.
With such a large property portfolio, it is inevitable that some of the properties have no obvious relationship to current and future service delivery requirements and can be regarded as surplus as they are unused, underutilized, or abandoned, which leads them to being vulnerable to hijacking and illegal invasion. As a city, we are pleased that all spheres of government are now giving this issue a renewed focus.
Provincial authorities say they are planning to start using government buildings.
We'll be moving government departments that currently we are leasing and paying millions of rands of leases for, and move them into that building so that we are saving money and this building will become good for the people. Then we're also seeing if we can use properties to help NPOs and NGOs, especially in our rural areas. We own schools that are no longer being used and other properties that we want to use as skill centers, partnering with some of our partners in higher education and other places. And then what we really don't need, we will put on the market. We are currently putting 133 properties on the market for either long-term leases or sale, where we go to the private sector, and say, come partner with us, give your ideas for these properties and let's work together on them.
Industry role players say development must be fast-tracked.
In this country, over the years, we've developed lots of good policies, good programs, good plans. What is lacking is good implementation. And I think we should now focus on implementation and find ways to do this, to expedite it and do it correctly.
There are certain challenges that will need to be addressed, and one of them will be the inability to implement the plans. The other one, as we all know, is the issue of the site invasions that we are all suffering from.
The conference continues on Wednesday. I'm Nonhlakane Phumagwaza for SABC News in Durban.